Hello, I welcome you all to this video. In this video, we are going to start learning the basics of Wincc Explorer, and further down the line the video, we are going to increase the level and complexities involved in Wincc Explorer. In this video, we will be creating a rectangular object, and based on the value of a particular tag, we are going to change the color of that rectangular object. We are going to change the text. So let's further ado. Without further ado, we can start. So we have to create a project first. So based on your requirement, you have to select your project type. In the next window, you have to give the path of your Wincc project and also a project name. So let me just quickly give a name. Create. So it will create a project at the designated location, and so in this video we are going to link, or we are going to change the object property based on the particular tag value. Let's say you have some inputs, and based on those inputs you need to dynamically change the property of an object. So first of all, if your project is created, you have to create a picture first. So to create a picture, you have to come to the graphic designer and you have to create a new picture. So let's rename this picture as test PDL. So open this PDL. So graphic designer will open this PDL, and then over there you can change the property of that particular PDL based on your screen size, etc. So okay, so we have this picture available over here. So let's close everything. Okay, so this is a blank canvas that we are having, and what we need is to, first of all, you need to define the geometry of that particular object. So in this case, this is your PDL or picture object. So you have to define the geometry of that particular object. Let's say it's your 768. Okay, so I have defined the picture length and picture width. So let's come down to the library, and then we will take an object from the library, and then we will try to change its property. So let's say two rectangles. So I'll duplicate this. Duplicate. Okay, so we have four objects. Okay, so let's say some texts also. So I'm just changing some of the properties of those objects, and then we can see that these objects will be behaving based on the particular value. So let's arrange them systematically. Let's duplicate this. So okay, so let's say we have a IO field over here. So based on this IO field value, we have to change the properties of these tags dynamically. Okay, so let's change the font size over here also. Keep it at center, bold, yes. So what we will do, based on the values which we are going to select over here, we are going to change the properties of these rectangles and these static text. So how we are going to do it? We will create a tag first in tag management. So open tag management and create an internal tag. So I'll create a test group. So in the test group, I'll create one test tag. So likewise, you can define the data type of this tag. There are many data types available based on your particular interest. You can define the data tag. So we have the tag available with us. So right now, only thing pending is to link those tags. So in the IO field, at the input output objects, let me change. Okay, so what we will do, we will give the output value a tag. So you can do the dynamization of this object property using scripting also. At the later stages of this video, we will be doing the C and VB scripts also. So I will select this tag. So we have to select our newly created tag. So this IO field is linked with this tag, and we'll change this to upon change. So let's come down to this rectangle and then change the background color of this rectangle. So like we did, we have to change the property. So come to the dialog dynamic block, and then you have to give a tag over here. So same tag we will be using, and you create the ranges based on which you want to change the values. So it's better. So we have created 4 ranges. So if the value of this tag is up to 100, it will show this particular color. If it is up to 100 to 200, then it will show this color, and likewise it will proceed. So let's give the color also. So let's say up to 100 it's red, then it's orange, let's say then it's green,